been having this crazy pregnancy craving for iced coffee. I don't even drink coffee, as you know. I haven't drank coffee in like 2.5 years. So now I've been getting half decaf iced lattes. I've been up since 6:30. I went and had another anatomy scan. And then I had some blood drawn. So still haven't had coffee or anything. So I'm in Starbucks. And I'm gonna use my Starbucks gift certificate that my patron got me. Oh, that's a different one. Darn it. Ah, yay. So thank you, Bob. I am going to enjoy a skinny latte. Pulling out of the Ozarks this morning and past a Walmart. Wow, I look really tired. I'm gonna put these back on. Decided to stop and grab his screws. We were so busy here in the Ozarks and like the stores aren't really open. It's kind of like small townish. You got what you needed?
Yeah, I got some metal drill bits and screws.
It's really quick. It's like 8 a.m. in the morning, so not your normal hour-long Walmart trip, which is nice. We pulled right in with the RV, so now we can clean up this disastrous mess.
We recently broke our pantry by not securing it before driving the RV. It happens, I guess. Today, we're gonna fix it.
There's 7 wonders of Kansas.
Then we're off to view one of the 8 wonders of Kansas. Yes, there are actually 8 wonders of Kansas. Let's do it.
This has been sitting on our settee cushion for several days now. We were able to get that back in there, but it's not secured whatsoever. We needed some better screws. Also, our drop-down bed above us is starting to fall right in that corner. We don't want that to fall on us while we're driving. Actually, it would fall on me.
Yeah, it's just on your side. I checked it to make sure it wasn't the whole thing. It's just one little section.
Or whoever sleeps there is just gonna come through.
No, it's just the bottom.
Oh, okay, that's good. Thank you, Walmart. You did your job. You got what you needed?
I think so. We'll see how it goes. All the ball bearings popped out, man. This thing is a walking disaster. All the screws got yanked out of there, but they ruined all the holes. So I'm only using the old ones as placements right now. And I drilled 4 new holes. I'm putting brand new screws in. Now all we gotta do is put this back up in there.
This is easier said than done. This thing is tricky.
The same to you? They're moving the same for you?
Yeah.
Can you see anything?
Oh, hold on, don't pull it all the way off.
The ball bearings come out?
Yeah.
The freaking ball bearings keep popping out as we try to reinstall the shelf on the rail. Annoying.
What's happening is we're putting it in, the ball bearings are sliding back, then they're falling apart, and it's jamming it.
Okay.
So this needs to be back here.
I'll put my finger there. Those ball bearings won't come.
Yeah. Sometimes you can luck out, but once, and then you'll lose one, and then you're really done.
Some grease to hold the ball bearings in place would be good, but we don't have any of that, so we just kept at it.
I think that'll be okay.
Finally, so we dropped the Jeep. Wait, that's the dinghy. We unhooked the Jeep and took off to explore the Monument Rocks.
What's this place called? Rock Monument?
Yeah, the Kansas Rock Monument. It's part of one of the 7 wonders of Kansas.
We are, there's 7 wonders of Kansas?
There's also Baby Jerusalem right next to it, and then Castle Rock, about 20 minutes from it. So those are 3 of them.
We're 35 minutes away. We're already on a dirt road. I think that's cool.
Yeah, so we're on this dirt road for 15 miles, I believe, and then you'll see a sign, and you just can drive over to the monument.
They can make it, so can we.
Yeah.
We're in the plains, West Kansas to be exact, to explore the Monument Rocks National Landmark. We were all alone when we arrived, so we figured we'd launch our drone, Fiesta.
That's our remote launch pad.
You're able to get super close to these landmarks. You can even drive around them. These chalk formations are rich in fossils. Some reach up to 70 feet in height. Monument Rocks National Landmark, also called the Chalk Pyramids, is found along the Western Vistas Historic Byway. These are among the best fossil hunting areas in the world. They're estimated to have been formed 80 million years ago. It's in the middle of miles and miles of nothing but fields right in the middle of Kansas.
Look how cool that looks. So these are made out of chalk.
Yep, pretty cool. We were able to hang out for an hour or so, just checking out the formations. We even saw a fossil or two. Can you spot one? When you're in front of something that's been here for so long, it sure does make you feel small. We're only here for a blink of an eye when you look at the big picture. But we were here. It was time to roll on. So we took one more trip around the monuments before heading back to the RV. That was cool, but we're really looking forward to the next destination. Coming up,
The issue with the GoPro is it's kind of a wide angle.
we're headed off to experience some history.
This is what they walked on, dudes. A rattlesnake.
We'll visit and hike Scotts Bluff.
Can't fly it in the national park, but you can take off from outside the national park and then fly it in.
And coming up later in season 12,
How about you tell me how you think you'd be feeling at 31 weeks? This is for all the moms out there with kids.
I haven't had one of these on in a while.
Let me close the door. Hey, John. Found your towel.
Let's get this thing blown up and the camp set up.
we're getting back to our normal selves and I can't wait.
The more alcohol you drink, the better it is.
Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.